Okay, it's day 2 for our tour. And we're here in Nagoya? Hiro?
Nagoya Castle.
Nagoya Castle. Okay, let's go. Uy, come on, let's cross the road. We're going to Nagoya Castle for day 2. Tara, let's. Nagoya Castle. Arigato. Bagboto. Ako ingon, bagboto. So, we're in the Nagoya Castle and it's 32 degrees. Korteng inita. Wala may mga sunscreen. Ano ka? And here we are walking. Have a look. You're very hot. There's the Nagoya Castle. Oh, we can't see the golden fish. It's all the way up there, Kuya Adam. The golden fish. Goldfish. So there's the Nagoya Castle behind me. Obviously, we can't get in kay gi-construct pa. I mean, after sa earthquake, they have to do some maintenance. So we can't get in. Karon din yata diri peting inita. Iking init. Mga bayon. Nagoya Castle, Hamaro Place. Diri sila magluto. Na ilang lutuanan.
Uy! Ba't naindiaan ako?
We'll exit.